Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you how to slick down your Faux hairstyle from here to this. Alright, but before we get started, I'm just gonna stop right here. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe like right now. Alright, so my hair is all good, already moisturized, and I am just going to be using water because water helps to slick down the hair, so that's why I'm using it. And then as you can see, I am going to pat my hair a little bit. I'm not really trying to have a line, but I just don't want to gather my whole hair because my hair is short. And yeah, so we're just gonna kind of split it and then tie it in the back, and then I will tie the one in front and then tie them together like so, like I'm doing here. And of course I'm using a brush as I'm doing that. And now using a generous amount of gel, I'm just gonna put that all over my hair or around my head, my hair. And using a brush, we're just gonna brush through that and make sure, like, we slick it. And then over here, this is not necessary, but you can just go ahead and like tie the hair again, just double checking. Look at that. I have an instant facelift, don't I? Alright, now we're gonna be using a silk cloth to lay down the hair. You can use any silk cloth that you have. In my case, I couldn't find it, so I'm using a durag. But yeah, so we're just trying to get the job done. And guys, make sure you watch until the end because there's also another important step there. Okay. Alright, so yeah, went ahead and did that, and then for about 10 minutes I took it out. But you probably have to do it this longer, especially if you have like coarse hair, faux hair. But I only did it for 10 minutes for the sake of the video. But usually I do it like 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna fast forward this part because this is not a tutorial for this. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and fast forward this part and install the bun here. So yeah. Alright, so this is another important step. As you can see, I still had like some hair that was like sticking out and stuff, so this kind of helps slick it further. So I'm using a pomade. You can use any kind of pomade that goes with your hair, or any pomade that you prefer to use for your hair. Let me say it that way. And I'm just putting that all over my hair again, and using a brush, I'm just gonna brush it out again. Okay, you don't really need to use a lot of this, but it's important that you do. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and, you know, brushing my hair, making sure it's all slicked down, and then we're gonna go ahead again and wear that silk cloth again, silk scarf. And this is not a scarf, I'm using a do-rag. I know that, I already explained why. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And I had this on for like 5 minutes, but you can do like 10 minutes. It doesn't have to be like for such a long time. Yeah, so that's that. And voila, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yeah, so this is how your hair should look. I think it came out really pretty cute. Whatever. Yeah, so this is the look, guys. This is the end of the tutorial. I don't know if it's a tutorial, but yeah, the end of the video showing you how I, you know, slick my hair, my fussy hair. Yeah, so just go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below. Let me know some tips on how you do your hair, you know. And yeah, and let me know if you like the video. Alright, I shall see you in my next video. Bye, guys.